Hi everyone, I'm Peter Gillen. I work on platform and technical marketing here at Zendesk. We have some great new features for platform coming this quarter. As a quick refresher, the Zendesk Platform lets you easily extend and customize Zendesk to meet your unique needs. One of the great things about Platform, it's open. It fits with the technology investments you've already made, the tools you already use, and the development languages you already have. The Zendesk Platform also makes it easy to get up and running quickly, with tools for everyone in your organization, from agents to admins to developers. The releases we're announcing today help you keep up with key trends we're seeing in customer service. What we're seeing is companies struggle to tailor service to fit their business, making it difficult to optimize agent productivity, personalize support, and adapt to change. That's why agents and admins need flexible, customizable tools that are both powerful and easy to use. The features we're launching this quarter give you these tools. With Layout Builder, admins can boost team productivity by tailoring agent workspace to fit agent roles, workflows, and more. With custom objects, you can empower agents with context and automate their workflows with your unique business data. Data Importer makes it easy to bring your data into Zendesk by bulk uploading it. And with Sandbox deployed at production, you can quickly and safely push changes from your Sandbox to your live environment. We're also announcing a number of other features, including a dashboard for data and file storage, analytics enhancements, and new apps and integrations. Let's dive in. First up is Layout Builder. With Layout Builder, you can boost agent productivity and speed up service by customizing the layout of Agent Workspace. To help agents quickly access the information they need, you can select, rearrange, and resize workspace elements like apps and components. You can also now customize the details of the User Essentials card so agents see the most important customer information at a glance. With Layout Builder, you can create different layouts for different agent workflows or roles, or you can create one default layout for all your agents to use, all with an easy-to-use drag-and-drop canvas. Layout Builder is available now in an open early access program you can join and will be generally available later this year. Next up is Custom Objects. With Custom Objects, you can extend the Zendesk data model beyond tickets, users, and organizations, adding new types of data unique to your business so agents have all the context they need right inside Zendesk, whether that's product catalogs, warranties, IT assets, or something else. You might know Zendesk has had an API-based version of Custom Objects for some time, but this new Custom Objects experience is no to low code, making it fast and easy for admins and agents to set up and use. With Custom Objects, you can surface key information where agents need it. And because Custom Objects works with triggers and analytics, you can also use it to move from data to action, automating more of your workflows and gaining deeper insights into service. Before diving into the rest of what's launching this quarter, let's see how Custom Objects and Layout Builder work together to help agents deliver fast, personalized service. Sandy Shores is an online surf shop that offers warranties on all of its boards. To help agents with warranty expertise optimize their workflows, Admin Anna tailors their experience with flexible, no-code tools. By customizing the layout of Agent Workspace and making it easy to take action on warranty data, Anna helps her agents boost productivity while delivering faster, more personalized service. To start, Anna puts warranty policy data at agents' fingertips, storing it with custom objects. Anna creates a custom object to represent warranties, including critical details like warranty date, product, and terms. Once Anna has stored the warranty data with custom objects, agents can easily access warranty records within their workspace. To automate agents' workflows based on warranty data, Anna creates a lookup field that connects agents' tickets to customers' warranties. Once the lookup field is set, Anna creates a trigger that automatically checks the warranty record associated with the ticket to see if a customer's purchase is eligible for replacement. She sets the trigger conditions up to check whether a warranty is valid and what level of damage it covers. Based on those conditions, the trigger will automatically identify warranty claims that are eligible for replacement. To make sure agents have key customer information at their fingertips, Anna also configures the User Essentials card to show loyalty number, status, and lifetime value. Now that Anna has set agents up with the custom data they need, she uses Layout Builder to customize their workspace to fit their workflows. First, since agents handling warranties often manage refunds and returns, Anna adds the Shopify app to the layout, easily dropping it into position and previewing to see how it looks. Anna knows agents need fast access to the User Essentials card she configured, so in the Context panel, she leaves Customer Context as the default view. To make it easy for agents to see that context, she expands the panel. And since most warranty requests come in through email, Anna customizes the placement of Message Composer, collapsing it so agents have more room to read emails when they open a ticket. Finally, using contextual workspaces, Anna ensures her layout is applied to the entire warranty agent group. And just like that, Anna sets her agents up for success with a fast, flexible workspace. But what about Sandy Shore's customers? Let's see how the workspace Anna set up translates to a customer experience for Brian. Brian is a loyal Sandy Shore's customer whose new board just broke a week after he bought it and right before a big vacation he had coming up. Brian's just emailed Sandy Shore's customer experience team for a replacement under warranty, and agent Lindsay is about to receive his request. Straight away, the custom warranty layout is applied to Lindsay's workspace, and she quickly gets the data and tools she needs. First, Lindsay enters Brian's warranty number on the ticket and selects product damage as the reason for the warranty claim. She reviews the details of Brian's warranty policy, seeing that it's still valid and includes full damage protection. Thanks to the business rule Anna set up, Brian's request status is automatically updated to eligible for replacement. Clicking back to Brian's profile, Lindsay also notices his loyalty number, status, and lifetime value. Identifying Brian as a high-value customer and feeling bad for his broken board, Lindsay refunds Brian for the board as a special perk for a longtime loyalty member. She issues the refund in the Shopify app, then lets Brian know his board replacement has been approved and he'll receive a refund to boot. And with that, Lindsay turns the custom layout and data set up by Anna into fast, personalized service. That was a great demo. Now to easily bring your custom object data into Zendesk, we're announcing Data Importer. With Data Importer, you can bulk upload your data into Zendesk in CSV format right from Admin Center, no code required. You can customize how your data is added and mapped to Zendesk, and you can keep track of it all with import history and logs. This quarter, you'll be able to use Data Importer to upload organization and custom object data, and then soon you'll be able to use it to import user and other types of data as well. Next, we have Sandbox deploy to production. With this, you can manage support changes quickly and safely using a simple workflow for deploying configurations from your Sandbox to your live environment. We're excited to introduce this new capability for triggers this quarter and for additional configurations like automations coming soon. Admins can deploy triggers from the new Sandbox deployment area of Admin Center in just a few clicks, and to help ensure data integrity, deployed triggers and their dependencies are automatically validated before going live. Also launching this quarter is a new data and file storage dashboard. With the dashboard, admins can track their account's ticket data and file storage usage against plan limits, ensuring they have enough ticket storage space to scale as they grow. This includes ticket data like tags and fields, as well as files saved as ticket attachments. Admins can track usage over time on the dashboard and receive notifications when they're approaching storage limits. If you need more storage space, you can easily delete ticket data or purchase additional storage by contacting your account team. We also have a number of analytics enhancements launching this quarter. First, with multi-filters for live dashboards, you can narrow down your data faster by adding up to 5 attribute filters per dataset. This goes beyond the previous 1 filter limit. Next, the new dashboard builder is now available on Suite Professional plans, extending its availability beyond Suite Enterprise plans. The new builder makes it easy to create and customize dashboards that give you the insight you need and the tools to share it. Lastly, we're releasing a new drill-in feature for the dashboard for easier discovery of trends, investigation of spikes, and more. And then finally this quarter, we're announcing new apps and integrations. First is an integration with Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes is an app connecting over 500,000 blind and low vision with CX teams from leading brands. The app works as a one-way video, two-way audio support channel that lets your agent see through the camera of a customer's mobile device, helping them resolve issues remotely. With the new Zendesk integration, agents in Zendesk can receive notifications of incoming Be My Eyes calls. When an agent answers a call, a Zendesk ticket will automatically be created and the agent will be connected to the customer through video and audio, letting you deliver more accessible service to all your customers. Next, with secure integrations for Help Center, we're making it possible to safely connect external systems to Help Center with JWT tokens. This unlocks some exciting new use cases like turning your Help Center into a one-stop employee portal for ordering IT assets, managing onboarding tasks, and more. Lastly, we're releasing a new Talk Partner Edition API. With this, it's now possible to easily store and surface third-party call data right inside Zendesk. Aircall, Five9, and Amazon Connect will all be enriching their Zendesk integrations with this new API. The API will also be publicly available to developers as well. And that's what's new with Platform this quarter. If you'd like to dive deeper, check out our webpage and resources below. Thank you for joining us today.